Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is to talk about version 1809. So, version 1809 was released in October of 2018. There's still a small portion of you out there that are on 1809. They're still there. Now, the last patch Tuesday that was to be available for 1809 was May of 2020. So we, for regular consumers, remember that all Windows 10 versions have 18 months of life. So the Home and Pro version that was about to expire next month with the last patch Tuesday is extended. So because of what's happening around the world and the fact that Microsoft doesn't want to rush anybody into specific versions of Windows right now, the Windows 10 version 1809 end of support is pushed to November 10th, 2020. So that's the last patch Tuesday of 2020 for 1809. So November 10th, 2020. So that means you guys got 6 months more now. If you are in 1809, everything works well, and you have no desire to really move on for now, well, that's where it's going. And I don't know, they were actually kind of forcing you to go to newer versions. I don't know if that extension means that they'll actually relax the forcing you to go to a new version. So I would guess it probably will. But if you're on 1809, the October 2018 update, well, you've got up to November now to security updates to continue using it if you're happy with it. So, of course, there's other software. There's even Windows Server versions that are extended also. So, and other stuff also that are extended. But for the most part here, it's that version of Windows 10 that extended right now. So you'll be able to move on to some other version of 2020 when you move on to something else. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.